I love that I don't have to touch the handle, and it is just brilliant. I just can tap with the back of my hand, that's not dirty, rinse, tap it again, no need to wipe it down. I haven't needed to touch the lever at all. It's just incredible. I don't know how I was doing any of my cooking before this, to be honest. So you don't need to tap in any particular place. I do have a tendency to just tap on top just because of where it's sort of positioned in the kitchen, but you can also tap on lower if you're sort of walking by, and it's really quite easy. It's got this beautiful sort of smooth finish to it, so it doesn't feel clunky, it's not heavy or sharp when you pull on it. It's just a beautiful sleek design, as well as the end spout here as well. It's got that beautiful sort of trumpet shape, which I love. It fit where our old taps, the connections and everything were before really easily, so the transition was quite simple, and I found it quite easy to install, to be honest. Is a pull down tap. You get in all the corners, use the spray function. When I used the pull down and the spray function, I had some force, had some power, so I definitely won't be needing to scrub for as long as I was before. It was impressive. When you've got big pots or you're just trying to wash up big heavy items, it's so smooth, not clunky at all, and you can really, it's just such a smooth sort of swing out of the way. I can literally be filling up my son's drink bottle and rinsing out my daughter's bowl at the same time, when I can sort of do that without touching anything. You know, I can have one in the bottom of the sink there, and I can do that. I can give it a gentle tap, and off we go, we're done. They get the little step stool, it's very easy for them. There's no need to get their little grubby hands on it. Quick tap, rinse their hands, tap, off they go. The whole family honestly loves it. It's absolutely worth the investment to have yourself such a beautiful tap as this.